Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share with someone you think would enjoy our content. Start with this box here today. We're doing 290, by the way, in case I didn't say that. Looks like we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 1 here and a 4 here. So this is our 3. 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 4, no help here, 3, 4, 9, same here, 3, 4, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 here. So 5, 7, no help here, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 5, no help here, 1, 5, 6. 6 here, so 1, 5. That means our 6 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 and 6 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 5, 6, and that 5 makes this our 1. We can get rid of this 1 here. That means we're missing 5 and 7 for this row still. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 there. So this is our 3. No help here, so 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. No help here, 1, 3, 7. No, oh, we've got the 1 covering both of these boxes and a 3 here. So that makes this our 7. That 1 makes this our 3 and our 1. That 7 makes this our 5, and that makes this our 7 and 1. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, 7, 1. To finish out this box, we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing a 2 and a 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row, we're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing a 3 and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 7. 4 and a 6 here, so this is our 7, 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 9. Don't see any other help, so 2, 3, 2, 3. All right, so we can get rid of this 9 here. This 4 makes this our 3. So then this is our 4, 9. That 3 makes this our 2, 3. That 2 makes this our 7 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.